Hello everyone, today I'll be riding horses. I love it very much and I'm very excited, so let's go do it together with me.
I love horse riding and I love horses very much. Since childhood I dreamed of my own horse and went to equestrian school. Unfortunately, my dream has not come true yet, but I know that everything is ahead. And I decided to have a good time with my friends and ride together. The weather today was not for riding in the forest. It was very slippery and drizzling rain, but I'm an experienced rider and I was not afraid when the weather was not suitable, but the horses were there galloping. Of course I was upset, but safety above all. Always been fascinated by these powerful creatures. There's something very attractive about them. It is not for nothing but horses have been friends of people for such a long time. It's time to feed our friends. They deserve it. It was very cold and I forgot to film the ending, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my OnlyFans page. Thank you and see you later. Bye.